Isn't it ironic that some of the jobs people tend to look down on are the jobs that AI could never truly replace? Yes, jobs like carpenters, plumbers, electricians, and even nurses. Why do people look down on nurses? Oh my goodness. Nursing is a very, very good profession. Now, let's quickly dive in and talk about the jobs that AI cannot replace and the jobs that AI will replace in a heartbeat. AI would definitely replace jobs, but human beings will still be needed because let's face it, AI do not have feelings, they don't have emotions, they don't have empathy. They have limited intelligence when it comes to human emotions. So I don't think in this regard AI can truly replace human beings. AI will not replace human beings in that matter. But now let's quickly talk about jobs that AI cannot replace. Yes, plumbing. Oh my goodness. AI can try to replace plumbing, but I mean, you can't just the precision, the actual angle. Like no, AI cannot replace plumbing. So if you're a plumber, you're okay, you're good to go. AI will not replace your job. The only thing that AI will help you with is to make your job easier, but it can't replace your job as a plumber. So just have some peace in your heart that AI can never replace your job. The other job that AI cannot replace are jobs like hairdressing, makeup artists, technician. Like these are artistic jobs, and they need care, they need human emotions, they need human feelings, right? Like the customers, clients need human beings to attend to them. Clients don't need robots. And there's some things that AI can just not do. They can't know how your brows will be set. They can't know what kind of nail polish you want. Like I don't know. It has a lot to do with emotions. And then with styling, hairdressers, makeup artists come up with styling that AI could never come up with. AI will help this job role. It will make things easier for hairdressers and makeup artists, nail technicians, but it can't replace their jobs. So if you're an hairdresser, if you're a makeup artist, if you're a nail technician, good luck. You're good. You're good to go. You're good to go because AI can never replace your job. AI will only try, but it will not replace your job. That's why when people look down on nail technician, when they look down on hairdressers and makeup artists, I'm just like laughing. Okay, oh, keep looking down on them. Meanwhile, there are some of the people that AI can never replace in industries. Yeah, women will always value their makeup. Women always want to look good. I mean, when I want to go make my hair, I don't want no AI to touch my hair. No, dude, you're not gonna touch my hair. So most women are like that. Women always want to look good. They always want to look perfect. So AI can try, but they can never truly replace human beings. Nursing. AI cannot replace nursing. AI can try and make nursing easier. It can enhance nursing, but it can't replace nursing. Patients need caregiver. They need human touch. There are some patients who will not get well until they hear from people, until they feel the touch, until they receive care. Yeah, nurses are caregivers. They literally nurse life back into the patient. A robot cannot do that. Yes, and that's one thing human beings still have over AI. Emotions and empathy is one thing human beings have over AI. AI do not know. They don't understand what joy is. They don't understand what sadness is. They don't understand when someone is down, when they need to have empathy for people. They just do things, you know, they just do things without emotions. AI doesn't have empathy. Yeah, so companies can try to replace people, but they can't replace human emotions. And their clients, customers will always request for human beings. Yeah, when it comes to roles in hospitality, roles in nursing, in the medical fields. Yeah, patients will always request for human beings. So even if in the next 100 years AI comes and takes over caregiving jobs, people will still demand for people. They want to talk to people. They want to be taken care of by human beings. They don't want to be taken care of by robots. So nurses, if you're a nurse, be rest assured that your job is safe. AI is never ever going to take your job. Now, another job that AI cannot take over is teaching. I mean, anyone can be a teacher, but you need to have some certain level of emotions, certain level of experience to be a teacher, especially if you're teaching special needs children. These children need care. They need like 100% care from human beings. So AI cannot take over the job of teachers, especially teachers that have special needs students. Okay, these jobs can never ever be replaced. Yes, because parents will never trust their special need children with an AI, with a robot. No, parents will not do that. So if you're a teacher, be rest assured that AI can never ever replace your job. We still need teachers to mold students, to mold young people, to train young people, to invest in young people, and that's the reason why AI can never replace teachers. Education is one of those sectors that AI will help. AI will enhance teaching, make teaching easy for teachers. Though you're an hero and people are not paying you as much as they should pay you, understand that AI can never take your job. So be rest assured that you're safe. There are some jobs that AI would definitely take over or like reduce by at least 70%. Bank tellers. If you're a bank teller, oh my goodness, you need to up your skills. You need to try and acquire more skills so that when AI truly takes over, it won't take over your job. Yes, don't be scared. You can just go and try and acquire more skills. Acquire skills, get back into the system, and AI will not replace you. But if you don't acquire skills, if you don't go for further education, AI might replace your job. Come to the end of this video. I have to rush back inside. It's raining out here, but I just wanted to quickly talk about the jobs AI cannot replace. If you find your job role in this video, be rest assured that AI will never replace your job. Okay guys, so I have to go now. See you another time. Please take a look at my playlist, my live videos, my long form videos, and support me. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. See you another time. Bye bye.